What an amazing week this has been. 50 years of LIGNA. We had a great last week, 5 days filled with innovations. And the VDMA and Deutsche Messe thanks all our exhibitors and visitors for a great and amazing week. Digitization, sustainability, and circular economy were at the forefront of this year's edition. Our exhibitors presented their solutions, their products, and their applications alongside those topics. Looking forward to meeting you once again in 2027, where we will welcome the woodworking community again on our lovely fairgrounds in Hanover. See you again in 2027.